Information required is get text, get tag name, size, send key, select the option which is not a web element method. So we'll copy this and put it here for information. Similarly, we copy this information also to understand this example. Select the option which is not a web element method. So how do we know which is a web element method? Okay, so when do we get web element as a return type? When do we get web element as a return type? Let's see that. When we say here driver.find element by say ID, suppose just give some double quotation, we will get, when you call find element as a method, driver.find element as a method, we get web element as a return type. Web element E. Now select the option which is not a web element method. Let's see. E.getText. E.getText, that is a web element method. E.getTagName, that is a web element method. Okay, so this is a web element method. Similarly, this is a web element method. Then what about size? Let's try to understand. Do we have size? We have get size, but there is no method available in the web element, that is size. So size is not a web element. It is not a web element method. Then send keys. Send keys is a web element method. It is a web element method. But right now, if I wanted to look at what are all the web element methods which are available in Selenium, we can click on web element here. It opens the documentation part. Select the web element, right click, select quick outline. You can see the methods which are available in the web element. We can click on a button, we can submit on a button, we can enter the text in the text box, we can clear the text box, we can get the tag name of the web element, we can get the attribute value of the web element. Suppose E.get attribute of ID, we get the ID value as a response. If the option is selected, if the button is enabled, if you wanted to get the text of a text box or any web element, find elements, find element is displayed, get location, the XY coordinates of the web element, get size, the size of the web element, the width and height, rectangle, the coordinates, the length and breadth. Okay, so location will give x comma y, size will give width and height, rectangle will give length and breadth, CSS value will give the style. Suppose if you wanted to know the background color of the particular text box, you can say get CSS value background color, we get the background color. So you can try all these methods of web element to get an idea of a particular web element. So let me show you one example for you to get an idea. Say get location or get size, get rectangle, get CSS value. Let's take all these four methods for our example. Say driver.get, we open one website to HTML examples. We have a HTML example already available in our blog. Let me put that information HTML example. Right. Now driver.find element by.id username. Suppose if you wanted to know the size of the web element, get size. Get size returns the dimension D. Then try to dimension. When you say dimension, we have to select org.opencreate.selenium.dimension. It's a class. Then try to print D. Similarly, if you wanted to get the rectangle, get rectangle. This is giving rectangle object, rectangle. Then for this also, we have to import rectangle class available in Selenium. Here, rectangle. Similarly here, you get the dimension, size. Okay, then e.get location. If you would like to get the location of the element, yes, it is returning a point. Again, try to import for the point. We have to select org.opencreate.selenium, then try to print point. Then next, if you would like to get the CSS value, e.get CSS value. What does it mean? If you look into our website, if you see here HTML examples, there is the background color yellow for this username text box. So if you wanted to identify the style of this text box, the background color that is applied for this text box, which is a CSS value, we have to provide here as background color. Have to provide here as a CSS value. Then we will get a string here. Get CSS value returns a string. CSS style details, and we will try to print. Okay, so we're able to get the size, we're able to get the rectangle, we're able to get the point, the XY coordinates, the location, we're able to get the background color that is applied for this text box. Okay, so let me execute the program now. Okay, we'll do one thing. This one we don't require. This one, say let's enable is equal to false, so that we don't execute the validate question 1, we just try to put the validate question 2. Let me try to execute the program. Right click, run as test-ng test. It takes few seconds to execute the program. It opens the browser now successfully, and we check the console now. And it will take some time. Meanwhile, we will select the answer for the second question. Select the option which is not a web element method. Size is not a web element method. For your information, size is a method which is part of list. Driver dot find elements returns a list. If you wanted to find out the size of the list, we have to use size method. So we will select here as the answer for the second question is select the option which is not a web element method. The answer is size. Is the option show answer? Yes, that is right.